Are you tired of struggling to attach files in Gmail? Learn how to send any file in under 30 seconds. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps, from composing a new email to hitting send with your file attached. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage, where you'll see your inbox. Then, click the Compose button in the upper left corner to begin a new email. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address. Now, you can also add a subject line and type your message in the body. At the bottom of the Compose window, click the paperclip icon to attach a file. Browse your computer, select the file you want to send, and then click Open. Once the file is attached, go ahead and click Send. Your email with the attachment is on its way. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.